So I'm about to make some sea moss gel. This is what I have left. I might just take off a little bit of this. This costs like $13 and I bought 2 of them and it lasted me for about 2 months because I don't drink it every day but like twice every 2 weeks or so, and it's really good for you. Some of the benefits of sea moss, I would list them in this video. So I'm gonna put half a line in here as well. So guys, this is a finished product of the sea moss gel, and it's kind of watery right now because it just finished boiled and it is right now cool at room temperature, but I will store it in the fridge. It will harden. It will be of a jello like consistency. I could use this in smoothies. Some people make face masks out of this sea moss because it has amazing benefits for the skin as well as the body. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.